welcome to this new video. Thank you very much for reaching out to this video. Success promise here, and I want to say thank you very much for reaching all my videos. Actually, this video I'm going to be interfacing with the DS1302 module. Actually, yes, I'm interfacing with another module in this video. Actually, I'm interfacing it with the Arduino Uno. Actually, the DS1302 module is actually a module which actually displays the real-time clock. Actually tells you the real-time clock of the exact day according to the way you set it in the Arduino programming, and that is what I'm going to be doing in this video. I hope you're really going to enjoy this video. Also, I'm going to be testing the current draw of the circuit, how the circuit draws the current in a particular time, if it's more better than making your own real-time clock or buying just a clock on the market. I'm going to explain that in the ending of this video, and also you're going to learn a great insight. Also, I'm going to be displaying the clock on the serial monitor. Yeah, I'm not going to be displaying the clock on this LCD screen or so. I'm going to be displaying it on the serial monitor of my laptop, and I hope you're really going to enjoy this video. If so, stay tuned to the ending of this video, and let's go into the tutorials immediately. Okay, now welcome back. Actually, now this is the package I'm going to use in this project. I'm going to be using the Arduino Uno board right here. I'm going to be using the module, the DS1303 module. Actually, some jumper wires for connections, and also the Arduino cable to program the Arduino as well, which I'm going to be doing in this video. Actually, I'm going to speed up the connection process, and I'm going to be putting the circuit diagram on how I connect it to the Arduino on the screen below right now. And yes. Actually, a little tip, I didn't actually tuck the pins of the DS1303 module. Actually, you can see the first pin is VCC, the second is ground, the third is clock line pin, the fourth is data pin, and the fifth is reset pin. Actually, this DS1303 module has a pin of 5 which is connected to the Arduino to interface with it. Let's go back to the video. Okay, now you can see the connections are done properly, and actually I've connected everything together. You just have to follow my procedure, follow the way I connected the Arduino, get the code in, and actually you're gonna get what you want. Actually, this is going to display the time, the month, and the date. Yeah, actually the month, the date, and also some second counting on the serial monitor. I'm going to be moving over to that clip which I showed you how it was working perfectly. And actually, if you want to get the coding of the Arduino, actually I'm going to be giving this code as a bonus to my viewers. Actually, thank you very much. I want to thank you very much for reaching me to 100 subscribers. So for that, I said I'm going to be doing an offer. I'm not going to be putting the Arduino code on my Patreon for sale. I am going to be spreading the code to you, to everyone. It's free to get the coding and make your project by yourself. It's very, very easy. I want to thank you very much for reaching me to 100 subscribers, and this is the offer I can make for now, so you can get the coding and make your project. Let's quickly test everything out, and as you can see, the DS1303 is connected properly. Let's program it right now. Okay, as you can see right now, the programming is done. Let's move over to the clip where I tested everything out, and I hope you're really going to enjoy this video. If so, subscribe, and let's go to the conclusions. Okay, good day. Actually, I finally found the coding for the RTC DS1302 module. I found this type of code online, and it actually works with the serial monitor. As you can see, it's counting every 1 second. I changed the time to 1 second, and also the date. And yes, this code works well with the RTC module, and yes, it works well with the RTC module on the serial monitor. Okay, now just a little tip. Now I know in the comment section you're going to be saying, what is the importance of this module? Why can't I just go and buy a real-time clock module in the market and just leave this shit behind and just buy a real-time clock or module, real-time clock in the market? But actually, the importance of this project is to just practice your hand, like practice your knowledge as an electronic hobbyist, like practice your knowledge as an electronic hobbyist. And also, if you input a battery in this DS1303 battery module, the battery can last you for about 10 years. Yeah, you can see the benefit. But if you go out there and buy a already made clock, it's not going to last you for 10 years for the battery which you're going to put in it. So that is one importance of making this real-time clock by yourself. I know there are other factors, but that is one important factor of making the real-time clock module by yourself. And as I said earlier, also to improve your knowledge of understanding on electronics, and also to make you capable for making more educative and creative videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you really like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also support me on Patreon for more educative electronic content like this. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video to the ending. I really appreciate you. If you really like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and support me on Patreon for more educative electronic content like this. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.